Carroll County and our surrounding communities are really no different than any other place in our nation. We don't have more mental illness or more substance abuse than any other place. And I think it's just important to recognize that what's happened here is that we have a community-based hospital that stepped up to the plate and created a resource at a time when it was really needed, not because there was more mental illness, but because we have people who are silently suffering in our communities. We know it, we know they're there, and we want to take care of them.
Welcome to Willowbrooke at Tanner, Georgia's newest behavioral health center, located just outside of Atlanta in the quiet town of Willowbrooke. Although we are certainly proud of our beautiful new 50,000 square foot center, our devotion to delivering the maximum level of care and attention for the whole person is what truly makes Willowbrooke special and an ideal place for recovery.
I think the thing that makes Willowbrooke unique is the very thing that we had in mind when we designed Willowbrooke, which is the integrity of the patient. There is still a huge mental health stigma in our community that we're not going to get rid of, maybe in my lifetime. But what we had in mind when we designed Willowbrooke was to be able to have a patient come into Willowbrooke and still have some integrity. Open courtyards, lots of open windows. Also, our clinical programming is the other thing that makes us absolutely unique. We are absolutely dedicated to the treatment of a patient while they're here at Willowbrooke through our clinical programming.
We value physical health as much as mental wellness, which is why Willowbrooke's treatment philosophies are dedicated to the health of the whole person, and not just at admission, but also during their entire journey through treatment.
Being at Tanner has allowed me to fulfill my own personal mission, but as well as the mission and vision of Tanner Behavioral Health, and that is to take care of our community, to create resources that are effective in helping our community live healthier lives.
The continuum of care doesn't have a starting or stopping point. It is simply a series of step-down passageways to wellness. This path may include one or more of our step-down programs.
Here at the Willowbrooke campus, we also have a very extensive outpatient program. And our outpatient program is actually a bridge, if you will, between your outpatient therapist and inpatient hospital. It's basically in a day hospital, if you will, and the treatment that patients experience here is actually very similar to what they would experience in the hospital, except these folks are going home in the evenings or going to school.
Our supportive and experienced intake counselors personally engage with every potential patient about their personal or family issues, their emotional, behavioral, or substance abuse difficulties, and their ideal method of paying for treatment, be it Medicare, Medicaid, private insurance, or self-pay, before matching them with the right treatment provider at the right level of care on the continuum. Built in 2009, Willowbrooke not only has the beauty and comfort of a modern facility, but it also allows for our unique whole-person wellness treatment philosophy, as well as safety. The spacious 50,000 square foot center not only includes a 10,000 square foot outpatient area, but also a 52-bed inpatient area with separate wings for adults, elder adults, and children. The nurses area is perhaps the best place to start, since it is very much the hub of Willowbrooke. With broad views of each wing, nurses not only can always be alert of patients' needs, but patients can also always be assured that they can find immediate assistance. All of Willowbrooke's therapy areas are designed to provide maximum comfort and safety while being an integral part of our treatment philosophies. Our expressive therapy room provides patients with a spectrum of supervised artistic opportunities that encourage a positive outlet for communicating ideas, thoughts, and feelings. Likewise, other rooms, such as our group therapy rooms, consultation rooms, and family group rooms, all provide additional channels and environments that foster healthy communication and progress towards treatment goals. Now, let's look a little closer at some of Willowbrooke's advanced safety features. Along with broad views of the patient wings, the nurses' station also houses Willowbrooke's camera monitoring system, as well as an automated medication dispenser that ensures accurate and timely dosages. Patients' rooms provide a very comfortable and private space for each patient, while also discreetly integrating a number of safety features. For example, each room features an adjustable bed and a bathroom. All patient areas, except bathrooms, are discreetly monitored by cameras that feed into the nurses' station. Our half-court gymnasium, activity, and common areas also share Willowbrooke's aspiration to treat the whole patient, body, mind, and spirit. With comfortable furniture, televisions, and wall-to-wall windows, these areas are discreetly monitored so that patients may still play, unwind, and relax, all while being treated and helped on their journey to healing. The dining area in Willowbrooke serves a hot and cold selection of buffet-style foods 3 times a day, allowing the patient to have some control and selection over what they enjoy eating. We can also accommodate patients with special diets and provide monitoring by dietitians and nurses. Indoor and outdoor dining is also available, as well as in-room dining when it is essential for patient safety. Along with what is inside at Willowbrooke, we are also proud of what is available outside. Each wing has a secure outdoor courtyard, and the children's wing also features a playground. Thank you for visiting Willowbrooke at Tanner. We encourage you to learn more about us online at www.willowbrookeattanner.org. For immediate assistance, questions about help for a patient or loved one, or to learn more about the Willowbrooke service, please call us at 1-770-836-9551. Thank you for visiting.